Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about credit spreads and how they work and how they function so you guys can have a better understanding. If you enjoy the video, please remember to subscribe and maybe we can hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers and that'll be pretty nice. So let's get right into it. So essentially, you just want to pick a stock, any stock. I'm doing SPY because that's my favorite stock to trade credit spreads on because you have 3 expiration dates in one single week and you can maximize your gains. So as you can see, I have a few of them pending for Monday. And essentially you just want to click trade options. So before you trade options, you have to have access to this. So remember, you have to trade for a couple of weeks, I believe, and have a minimum deposit in your account, maybe like $50 or $100, I'm not sure. But just make sure you have access to trading spreads before you do this or it won't work. So you want to pick it. And for this example, we're going to be talking about put credit spreads. So you click sell, click put, make sure you click sell because if you don't, it's not going to click the price you selected. So it's at 321. So essentially you have a bullish opinion of the stock and you're guessing that the stock will not go under the strike price you decide to choose of your choosing. So I usually do $7 to $6 difference for SPY because I want to make sure I get a decent amount of minimum credit. And also, so it's not too close to the actual price, so I don't lose my, collateral. So we can do maybe 316. This looks pretty good. So you click here, and as you can see, it says short put. You don't want it to say that. You want it to say put credit spread. So then after this, you're saying that SPY will not drop below 316 on expiration date July 22nd, which is Monday. So if on the end of market hours Monday it's not under 316, you get to keep your collateral and your total credit. This is not it yet. You also have to click sell and you also have to click buy. When you click buy, make sure to click something close to it because if not, the price goes up. So I usually do one right under it, so we can do 315. You click buy and now it says put credit spread. You want this to say this, a put credit spread. If not, the market won't care if you click it wrong or choose the wrong thing. So make sure it says this before you buy. So you click continue and you click 1 because that's what we want. 100 shares is one contract, and you want to do in the middle so it gets filled out. The reason why I like SPY so much is because it gets filled out really quickly. So we clicked in the middle, which is 15, which is what Robinhood recommended us. And I bet it's going to get filled out pretty quickly because SPY has a lot of people trading credit spreads and so on. So pretty much this right here is telling us that we're going to secure $15 as minimum credit immediately, which we can use to do whatever. We can buy Chipotle, In-N-Out, or do whatever with it, buy more stocks or whatever. And then we have to put a minimum deposit. If we click review order, we need $100 collateral. So it says we don't have enough because we already put them in pending, so we're not actually going to buy this. This is just an example. So it says we need a collateral of $100 in order for us to secure 15. And you do this, and then on Monday, if it's not under 316, you get to keep your $100 back. You don't lose it, and you get to keep your minimum credit. The good thing about this is that if by any chance you see that SPY is not going the direction you want, you can always sell it beforehand. You just have to hope that it gets filled out before expiration date, and since there's like barely any time between them, it's kind of hard to do that. But I suggest waiting until expiration date if you're pretty confident on your position. But so on, if you get closer to the actual share price, obviously let's refresh this real quick. As you get closer to the share prices, which was 321 I believe, the minimum credit, it's higher, but since it's riskier, so the higher the risk, higher reward. The only downfall with this is that there's a minimum cap on how much you can earn, I guess. But me personally, if you have a small account or you're just trying to have consistent growth, this is the perfect strategy for you. So right here it's 321.90. If we say you know what, I believe that is going to keep going up, so I'm gonna do 321, which is a 90-cent difference, which I highly do not recommend because it says here you have a 67% chance of actually winning this, or a chance of profit. So if you sell this and then you buy one right under it, instead of those $15 of total credit, you're getting now $38. So the riskier you get, the more collateral, the more credit you get. But in all honesty, I don't believe risking $100 for 38 is a good win to lose reward ratio or whatever. So me personally, I'd rather go safe and get a smaller credit and do it in larger amounts than, going all in, pretty much gambling. I don't like that at all. But so yeah, that's pretty much what you do with credit spreads, with put credit spreads to be specific. So hopefully this video was enjoyable so far. I've been doing the same thing. I discovered this like a week ago, and I did it this past week, and I made $152.34, which is pretty nice. And the good thing is that you can keep increasing your position, so you can do multiple contracts to the point where you can almost earn like $1,000 a week. And I know some people that have, even stopped doing their part-time jobs, and they use this in order to pay for whatever they want. So it's pretty nice. I joined a cool Discord server, which has helped me a lot. I'll try and link it below. Also, if you're looking for a free stock, you can sign up with Robinhood with the promotion code I'll have in the link below as well. And yeah, I also started a social media account, I don't know, to post stuff if I'm bored or motivation. I have no idea. I just opened one because I felt like it. But yeah, that's pretty much the video, and I hope you guys are safe, and yeah, see you in the next one. Take care.